Alright, let's pretend you've just walked into the shop, coffee in hand, telling us you've been eyeing a used Toyota Camry from the 2007 to 2011 generation. We've worked on more of these than we can count, so we'll give it to you straight. These cars are generally solid, but there are a few trouble spots you should know about before you hand over your cash. So let's talk about old-school Camry's reliability and common problems. But just before we start, please ensure you've subscribed to the channel. Why the 2007-2011 Camry is popular. This generation of Camry has a reputation for being a dependable, comfortable daily driver. They're roomy inside, ride smoothly, and parts are easy to find. You'll see them everywhere because they sold like hotcakes new. And on the used market, they still move fast if they're clean and well-maintained. But no car is bulletproof, so let's walk through the most common issues we've seen in the shop and what you should check before buying one. Excessive oil consumption. One of the biggest gripes with certain four-cylinder engines in this generation, specifically the 2.4, is that they can burn more oil than you'd expect. We've seen cars that need a quart added between oil changes and others that need topping up every 1,000 miles. The problem comes from piston ring wear or carbon buildup, which lets oil slip into the combustion chamber and burn off. When you're looking at a used Camry, ask the owner how often they check the oil. Better yet, pull the dipstick yourself and see where the level is. Transmission shudder or hesitation. Some 2007-2009 Camrys with the 6-speed automatic can have a hesitation or shudder when shifting, especially between first and second gear. This can feel like the car is pausing or unsure when you step on the gas. Sometimes it's just old transmission fluid, which a proper flush can fix. Other times, it's a sign of worn components inside. Water pump leaks. Both the 4-cylinder and V6 engines can have water pumps that start to seep coolant as they age. It usually shows up as a slow leak. Maybe you notice a little coolant smell after parking, or you see dried pink residue around the pump area. When inspecting the car, take a flashlight and peek around the engine bay for any crusty pink or orange stains near the front of the engine. Dashboard melting and sticky surfaces. This one's more about annoyance than mechanics. Many Camry dashboards from these years had a defect where heat and sun exposure make the material soft, shiny, and even sticky to the touch. It can also cause glare on the windshield. Toyota did have a customer support program to replace affected dashboards, but that ended years ago. Power steering leaks. It's not uncommon to see a little fluid weep around the power steering pump or hoses on these cars. During your inspection, turn the steering wheel lock to lock while parked and listen for whining noises. Also check the power steering fluid reservoir for proper level and signs of leaks below. Suspension wear, struts, and bushings. The Camry rides nice and soft, but over time the suspension components, especially strut mounts and control arm bushings, start to wear. You might hear clunks over bumps, or the car might feel a little floaty at higher speeds. If it bounces more than once after a bump, the struts are tired. EVAP or O2 sensor codes. We've seen quite a few Camrys from these years throw check engine lights for things like the evaporative emission system or oxygen sensors. Sometimes it's as simple as a loose gas cap, other times it's a sensor or a small leak in the EVAP lines. What to check before you buy? When you're shopping for one of these Camrys, bring a flashlight, be ready to pop the hood, and don't rush the test drive. Check the oil level and color, listen for odd noises when turning or braking, and watch the temperature gauge to make sure it stays steady. Drive it at both low and highway speeds, and pay attention to how the transmission shifts. And if you can, get it on a lift so you can inspect the suspension components. A well-maintained 2007-2011 Camry can easily run well past 200,000 miles. But a neglected one can become a headache with oil consumption, leaky pumps, and worn suspension parts. The key is to find one that's been serviced regularly with proof of oil changes and basic maintenance.